This is Hughes Hall, which is Cornell University's law school headquarters for their law department. And MCWB Architects was hired to do an envelope replacement for this west wing of the law school. This all that you see behind me is all part of phase one work. And what that entailed was completely removing all of the existing stone veneer off the building and the steel window system down to the substrate structure. There was a lot of deterioration to the substrate, so we had to perform a lot of concrete repairs and patching, block and fill, crack repairs. Once that was all completed and we stabilized the superstructure, then we composed a veneer system which was quarried out of Alcove, New York, bluestone in this random natural stone pattern. As you can see, all of the lighter trim work, that's all Indiana limestone. And we have new aluminum windows with thermally broken glazing. The windows are all replacement in the divided light pattern, similar to the ones that were taken out. The lights are original, and what we did is we took them all off the building and completely restored them. They were all corroded, stripped them down, put a new paint finish on them, replaced all of the exterior lenses on the outside, rewired them, relamped them, and put them back in their existing locations. So we're done with phase one. We're in the middle of phase two, and when we go back up in the upper courtyard, you'll see phase three, and most of the removals have been done on phase three. This project's been going on for about a year and a half now. It's not over yet. We probably have another, I would say, 8 months or so left before the completion of it.